Unleash your creative spirit. Explore free painting for beginners ideas. Are you ready to dive into the world of painting for beginners, step by step and on canvas? Whether you're an aspiring artist or someone looking for a new creative outlet, there's something truly magical about putting brush to canvas. Discover the art of painting for beginners. Before we jump into the exciting world of painting for beginners, let's talk a bit about Kindle Unlimited. This remarkable service from Amazon opens the doors to a vast library of over 1 million ebooks, magazines, audiobooks, and more. And yes, it includes a fantastic collection of painting for beginners step-by-step guides, offering you a canvas of possibilities. Unleash your creative potential. With Kindle Unlimited, you can explore a plethora of painting for beginners ideas that cater to your artistic preferences. Whether you're eager to master the art of acrylics or need guidance on creating your first canvas masterpiece, you'll find a wealth of resources designed to nurture your budding talent. Why choose Kindle Unlimited? Freedom to explore. Kindle Unlimited offers a 30-day free trial, granting you access to its extensive library without any financial commitment. It's a golden opportunity to sample various painting for beginners step-by-step guides and unearth the ones that resonate with your artistic vision. Instant access. Once you sign up for the free trial, you can instantly download and delve into the world of painting for beginners on all your devices, smartphones or tablets and PCs. No obligations. If, for any reason, you decide that Kindle Unlimited isn't your cup of artistic tea after the 30-day trial, you can cancel with ease. No strings attached, no charges incurred, and any downloaded books during your trial period are yours to keep. Getting your artistic journey started. Beginning your artistic journey is as simple as dipping a brush into paint. Click the link below to kickstart your creative adventure. With a 30-day free trial of Kindle Unlimited, click below to start exploring painting for beginners ideas with Kindle Unlimited. This is your chance to transform blank canvases into beautiful works of art, and Kindle Unlimited is your key. Click the link below this video and embark on your painting adventure today.